I think myself and my team feel like a lot of pressure is taken off now that we've got Pabau set up within our business. So my name is Dr. Jordan Faulkner. I am the founder and lead injector at Allo Aesthetics, which is a company that I founded 2 years ago, now covers 3 injectors. For most people moving into the aesthetics sector, you're often trying to create a new business alongside working an NHS job. Your instinct at the start of creating a business is to try and pull back on costs on things like IT software, but actually that's quite short-sighted. I was writing all my notes on paper, which meant I had to print out all of the forms and then upload them afterwards. Also, there's issues in storing those notes safely. Also in terms of bookings, keeping up to date with follow-ups, I was doing all that using just a standard Excel sheet. Pabau is essentially a fully integrated booking system and medical notes software. Best thing for me with Pabau is that all of these separate functionalities are integrated into one system. The journey is laid out in such a way that I can book the patient in, they automatically receive their pre-care, their consent form and a medical screen, and that's already uploaded for me when I see them in clinic. When I started my brand, I eventually started taking on other injectors under my brand, and we work together as a network of injectors. Now we all use Pabau with the same set systems, with the same pre-care, with the same aftercare, and therefore all of that is standardized, and we know that all of our patients between us are receiving the same set of instructions. So that's a really nice thing for us to know that we appear very cohesive as a team and that we're all on the same page. I would absolutely recommend Pabau to other clinicians setting up an aesthetics clinic. The main reason being that it takes off a lot of the pressure around logistics and note keeping, and it also gives you a platform to keep all your notes in a perfectly safe manner in accordance with the guidelines.